terribly excited. A parcel has just arrived much sooner than I expected, and it's heavy, so I'm hoping this is my books. So this is the classic unboxing video. This is my new book and a bit of a change for me. This is about writing. In my past, I've taught things like editing and stuff like that, and lots of people keep asking me, so here it is! My new book called So You've Finished Writing, Now What? No, So What? Yeah, Now What? I've got no idea of the book. Here it is, there's me on the back. And it has got inside, for starters, how to do editing. Takes you all through the various stages with a nice little diagram. And then towards the middle, we've got lots of different ways of getting your words out there, including things like indie publishing, how to do indie publishing. And then at the end, a huge glossary of all those words that we don't quite know what they mean. Full of little fun footnotes, and nice cheap, available on Kindle and paperback from Amazon and your favourite bricks and mortar bookshop. Buy it!